Welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to bulk update the item condition using AdLister. Please log into your AdLister account and navigate to the products page. Let's say you forgot to add the condition for free products and the eBay category is requesting you to add it. On the products page, highlight those free products that you want to add the condition to, click on the Edit Products drop-down, and select the Item Condition option, which is the 7th option in the drop-down. Once clicked on the Item Condition button, you will be redirected to a new page where you can see the titles of those free products and also a drop-down menu. From this menu, you can specify whether the product is new, used, or other options. Once selected the desired option, you can simply save the changes and return to the products page, or you can click on Save and Revise to update the listings on the live eBay as well. I hope this video helped you in understanding how to update your item conditions using AdLister. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.